All right, guys, what's up, man? All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing very well. Is my stream working? Am I live? Should be good. Yeah. Let me know if there's any issues, because I'm on a new laptop. All right, guys, let's just give it like a few minutes for some people to log on, and then we'll get started right away. Bitcoin's going very well. I'm up like $15,000 or something right now. I'm in a $2.4 million long. We'll just wait. A few more minutes, let some people log on. I think we're gonna hit at least 125K using Fibonacci extension, and I'll talk to you guys about why I entered a massive long. Well, not a massive long, but a pretty big size relative to some people, I guess. Not the biggest to me, but it's the biggest I can afford to go into right now. The reason for that is because I'm traveling. So since I'm traveling, I'm not keeping a lot in my account, right? For safety reasons. So because of that, I'm only keeping like a little bit in my account, man. I'm keeping like 150K or something like that, 160 maybe. I actually only came to London with like 70K or something, and I tripled it to 210K, and I sent 60K out for safety reasons somewhere else. So I only kept 150K in the account. So I'm leveraged like times 14, something like that. So I'm in. Otherwise, I would just play with my own money, right? But I don't have it right now because it's at home on a ledger. So yeah, I'm in a really good long position right now. So guys, welcome. Okay, my name is Philakone. For those that don't know me, I apologize for the background. I've been living in a hotel, in this fucking awesome 5-star hotel for the past how long now? Since Saturday last week, right? No, Saturday the week before. So I've been here for not that Saturday, but I came the Saturday before, right? I think no, I came on Monday. So I've been here for 1 week, 8, 9, 10 days. 10 days living in a 5-star hotel costing me £800 a night. So expensive, London. London is incredibly expensive, I find. It's like 5 times more expensive than Turkey for food alone. Like you can't order anything that's under like £100 for 2 people, I've realized. But anyways, welcome guys. My name is Philakone. I've been in the crypto space for about 11 years, going on next year now. So I think that I'm somebody that you can trust. I've made a tremendous amount of money in crypto through day trading and also holding for a very long time, for those that know me, okay? And my ultimate goal is to see everybody succeed. But more importantly, I don't give a crap about the fundamentals of crypto. I don't care about how XRP is going to penetrate Swift. I don't care about how Bitcoin is going to become like the standard currency that's going to be the equivalent to gold. I don't care about how Ethereum is going to be like the next generation for 5 generations of developing dApps. Like crap. I don't care about that crap. I don't care about how Polkadot is the most interoperable coin or the fundamentals of it. I'm being real with you guys. The only thing that I care about in life is finding peace and happiness. And I do that by having zero stress when it comes to money, so I can pursue the things that I love, such as spending time with my family, spending time with my pets, spending time with my lady, reading books, playing games, right? Being active in the gym, staying healthy, traveling, eating at good restaurants, eating cheap street food somewhere, getting lost somewhere in the middle of fucking Thailand or Singapore, staying in a beautiful 5-star hotel and just having sex all day while you're on Molly, shit like that, man. That's what I'm looking for. Walking down a sunset on a beautiful beach, taking a cruise on a fucking yacht. These things you can't do without money. Yes, you can also be just as happy, and many people are just as happy without money in many countries. In fact, the poorest countries and the least income people are generally the most happy people. But I believe that I can also be happy by being extremely fucking wealthy. That's my mentality on money, alleviating the burdens of modern day society so I can pursue freedom. and do whatever the fuck I want. I don't want to go to a grocery store and have to worry about like, oh shit, baby, we're over budget by $20 today. Can we put something back? Like, you know what I mean? I don't want to be like that. I don't even look at the prices at a grocery store or restaurant anymore. Unless it's like, you know, getting close to like $5,000, then maybe I'll care. You know what I mean? Because that's like one trade to me. So I just want to help people know what I know. And that's the ultimate goal in crypto. Just to fucking have life-changing money where you don't have to worry about things, right? So let's jump right into it, okay? So Bitcoin is looking phenomenal right now. Okay? It's looking very, very bullish in every way. Hold on, I got to refresh this. There's going to be a lot of dips and lots of turns along the way, right? I'm going up and down like thousands of dollars every few minutes, but I'm not worried about that. Okay, so let's do a really good technical analysis on Bitcoin. And I'm going to explain to you guys the main factor behind this liquidity sweep that's most likely going to happen very, very soon, okay? So I understand that the MACD is crossing down and some people are worried, but I do believe it's going to have one more wave like that very, very soon. In fact, a lot of the time frames are all already... Okay, so the way you have to think about time frames, guys, is like this. The lower time frames start to create a trend first. So if the lower time frames start to get bearish, it can start to push the higher time frames bearish and vice versa. For example, if the high time frames look bearish, but now the 4 hours starts to look bullish where it's crossing over, the 4 hour that's bullish can start to make the 6 hour bullish. It can start to make the 8 hour bullish, then the 12-hour bullish, then the daily bullish. So the lower time frames, they're the ones that start the trend. And we're starting to see the trend already. The 4 hours crossing over, okay? And I'm going to explain to you guys something called the kernel. This is probably one of the best fucking advices that you guys will ever receive for free, okay? I'm not here to take your money or anything. I got content, which we'll get to later, but I want to teach you guys something that's really fucking cool. This is called the Lorentzian classification indicator, okay? It's called this one right here, Machine Learning Lorentzian Classification by J. D. Horty. This guy in 2024 won the award for the best indicator of the year. It has been downloaded over 1 million times. He is a genius, okay? He's a computer science and a software engineer, okay? He created this fucking amazing indicator. It's the only indicator you will ever need for a trend indicator. All I use it for, I use the default setting, download it, take off all the check marks, except for this one, the kernel regression. The kernel is a super trend indicator. A super trend indicator is like an EMA, right? It's telling you the trend, okay? For example, if there's a good trend that's going upwards, it's going to stay above the green line. When the trend changes, then you know that the trend has changed. Hold on 1 second, guys. Darling, 8 minutes away. Okay? 89. You have the pin. Sorry, I'm just letting my lady know when the food's coming because she's going to go get it for us. So the trend indicator is very important. Let me give you guys an amazing example, okay, of the trend indicator and how this bad boy works, okay? So you can see that in a bear market, this is what happens, okay? In a bear market, hold on. I think I have it too tight. Do I have it too tight? What did I change here? Huh, that's weird. Wasn't like this before. Okay, never mind. Here's an example of a bull market, okay? In a bull market, this is beginning October 2020. Look at the green line, how it holds. The moment that it starts to break down here, that's when you get the fuck out of the market, right? And now look at 2017, same thing. It's a very reliable trend indicator, right? In 2017, same thing, right? It just stays bullish the whole time, right? The whole time. And then when it finally crosses, you exit. So right now, on the daily chart, we are trending extremely bullishly, okay? Like we're trending very bullishly overall. Okay, we're trending on the 4-day, we're trending extremely hard. So if you guys are going to notice something here, my stop loss, my liquidation price, it's about 111,000. I don't think it's going to get close to there, to be quite honest. Like not even close, right? The reason why I'm in a large position and highly leveraged is because my invalidation is very simple. Okay, the invalidation for my trade and for the bull run, or not the bull run, but for this trade, is going to be the yellow trend line break right here. See that? This low needs to be taken out, combined with this higher low. Okay, this higher low is very important. The higher low trend line, it's kind of like a triple point. So if you think about it, you got three things there, right? I'll write it out so it's more clear for you guys. Three important points. Okay, so one is the yellow line, which is a horizontal, right, support. So two is going to be the higher low white line, right? So that's what it is, the higher low white support, right? And three, the green kernel. So these three things is like a triple threat right now, and it's acting as a very strong support, right? And that's what's most likely going to launch this coin into making a fifth wave. There are supposed to be 5 waves. There's definitely, we're still in the bull market, okay? We're still in the bull market. We're not going anywhere for a while. The market's still incredibly bullish, and you need to understand that, okay? There's a wave missing. We don't know how big this wave will be, but there's definitely one wave missing. It might even go up there and hit this massive resistance. Okay, take a look at this, guys. Do you see this huge channel that we're in? There's also a possibility to hit up there in the 30 ranges. So when I take my profit, it's going to be a very large profit, guys. Like a big, very large profit. When I take it at 125K, I'm going to make $130,000. Or if I take it 130K, I'm going to make $230,000, in one simple trade, right? One simple trade. So I hope you understand the logic behind this trade. So my validation is going to be the green kernel, which is going to be about 117,500, wherever it breaks below there. So if I stop myself out at 117,500, I'll just lose $20,000. That's it. I'm risking basically 1% to try to make, like, my RR is fucking unreal. It is literally one of the best risk to rewards that you can have, right? So if you even targeted 125K, why 125K? Because if you take the Fibonacci extension between waves 2 and 3 and 4, that's reaching about 126K, right? 126K is reasonable, so I'm just targeting a little bit lower. So if you think about the risk to reward for this trade, it's ridiculous, right? Like even now, if you were to enter, so let's say you targeted 126K and you targeted below the green line for your stop loss, your risk to reward is 3.8, 3.9. It's a crazy trade to take. So I'm not trying to give you financial advice, but this is probably something you should consider, right? Darling, I think it's almost time. No, it's 6 minutes. 6 minutes, okay? 6 minutes, okay? Sorry, I'm just communicating with my lady about food. London has really good food. So if you think about this trade, it's like 3.44. It's a really good trade to take. It's also about to close in like what time? What time is the daily close here in London? What time is Turkey? Turkey is 2 hours ahead. So at 1 in the morning. So in like 5 hours. In 5 hours, if we close with this kind of candle, right there, 5 hours, 16 minutes. If we close with this kind of candle, that's like a hammer. That's rejecting the yellow line, rejecting the higher low, rejecting the kernel. Tomorrow is going to be a crazy day. Like, it's going to be a wild day. The only thing that we're waiting for right now is just liquidity sweep, right? Once 130K, like, so that yellow line right there, the resistance, that's the resistance. If 120,100 breaks, it's going to fly. It's going to fly to 125K. Right now, the liquidity sweep region for shorts getting liquidated is basically going to be about 130K. That's where it is on the heat map right now. if that zone gets broken, we are gonna fucking fly. I still think that Bitcoin has a very good chance to hit like around 250K. Like, that's my opinion. I think Bitcoin's gonna do something. I'm still very bullish until about maybe the end of September, the latest. Okay, guys, the end of September, and I think there's still a lot of time. Like, if you guys are not, like, this is the only time you're probably gonna get this deal. Philakone, why do you sell content if you do so well day trading? The truth is because people want it, first of all. Secondly, I value my experience. And thirdly, it's mutually beneficial. And I'd consider myself somebody that wants to help people, but also respects my work as well. So yes, I will sell content. I'm not gonna, no, but nothing good is free, guys. I promise you that. If you guys want a 40% off sale, go to my page, guys. Go to my page, get the 40% off sale off of my course. I'll link it in this video over here. You're gonna get my elite tier Discord group where I'm very active there. There's like thousands of members in the group. You'll get a 40% off sale for the group to join it, and also 40% off the course. Normally $750 is down to $450. Get in my group. If you guys want to take it to another level, join the platinum tier. That's where I live stream. This kind of video that you're seeing right now is exclusive for the platinum tier only. I just decided to make it public for one time, right? The platinum tier, I live stream my group. Yesterday we caught a lot of good trades, and we're always going to keep catching good trades. So I live stream my desktop. You see the trades that I take. You can ask questions. I'm on for about anywhere from 2 to 6 hours a day, depending on my energy level, right? And depending on the market conditions. This is expensive. It's $2,500 for 6 months. But if you renew it, again, after it's done, you get a lifetime membership. So this is like another level of trading because you get to see what I do. So definitely take a look at the link below, guys. Other than that, let's take a look at Ethereum. How, like, if you look at Ethereum, okay, I'm just gonna go down here to show you guys. I have been posting about Ethereum for fucking who knows how long now. Oh man, I took a fucking crazy position on Ethereum. Nobody believed me until I made $106 fucking thousand shorting Ethereum. I called Ethereum from the very top. Okay, and I even set my targets right here. The target for Ethereum is 3480 to 3600. I called that. We ended up getting to 3505. So I've been calling Ethereum like I've been on fire, guys, with these trades. I'm up about $170,000 trading on my Binance public account and 106,000 trading on my private account, right? So, and the funny thing is I've been trading it from a fucking bathroom. I've been trading it in this bathroom, sitting on this fucking toilet seat with a bottle of wine on the floor because my lady sleeps at night and I work at night and I don't want to wake her up because I'm always creating content and videos. That's where I've been making over about $250,000 in 10 days now. That's fucking hilarious. So I've been calling Ethereum like where's the first time I called it? And people were crying about it like crazy. Like, dude, nobody wanted to believe me, right? I'm just trying to look to see when I first called it. People were I was like in the middle. I was in a movie theater. And I was shorting Ethereum, and people were so angry. Oh yeah, I was shorting it. Like, where was it? There's one more video right here. I don't remember, but I posted this Elliott wave chart right here, explaining everything, right? Explaining 5 Elliott waves, right, in super high detail, counting all of the subwaves, right? It's like, it's crazy. I stand by my first target. 3840 is my target. And then we actually hit 3505. Within 0.5%, I fucking nail it. So now I don't know if we're done the correction or not, but I think there's one. I missed out on it, to be honest, because I'm long Bitcoin instead. But I still believe that Ethereum is going to hit $4,000, guys. Ethereum is still going to hit $4,000. The reason for that is because we are missing one official wave right now. This is the count. Okay, this is the official count. 1, 2, and we're missing a 3, 4, and 5. So in this wave here, We're counting 1, 2. This is 3. This is 4. There's probably going to be a 5 at 4K. So that's my update for Ethereum. I think there's still a little bit of ways to go. I don't think we're going to drop further. I think we're going to bounce incredibly nicely on Ethereum, and we're probably going to hit 4K. So I called it, guys. Like, people are not able to handle bearish news. They see, like, they see somebody posting bearish, and they fucking get pissed off. Like, they get pissed off, and you know, it's mainly because they're leveraged like 35x or like 40x or 50x. So if they hear any bearish news, it causes panic for them, right? It causes panic. So, oh, Daniel Ritter, you're so funny. Some people need a crazy setup. You're right. I was actually I ordered 9 monitors to my house at home. 9 monitors. I was gonna have like a 9 monitor, 27-inch setup, and it was like gonna be delivered. But then my lady is like, "You're just trading from the toilet on your Samsung Z Fold 6, and you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Why do you need 9 monitors?" So I fucking canceled the setup, and I even ordered like another video card just to have it. That's pretty funny, right? And yeah, the 12 hour is making a really nice doji. So that's it, guys. Aquanaut, I'm using Binance. If you guys have any questions, ask away. I'm here. What about Whiff? Whiff? My girlfriend is so fucking funny when it comes to Whiff. We'll talk about Whiff, okay? She lost a shit ton of money. She's like, "Hey, should I stop myself out?" She fucking longed it right at the top there. She longed it at the top at like 110 actually. She's like, "Hey, should I stop myself out?" I'm like, "No, baby, it's still bouncing off of the daily kernel. Don't stop yourself out. It's making an ascending triangle. Why do you want to stop yourself?" She fucking stops herself out. Loses a lot of money. You know, like, well, to her as a day trader, right? She's losing like a few $1,000s. I'm like, you should have just held it. You should have just fucking held it. And then the next day, of course, it bounces off the kernel and it just goes up there. Fuck Whiff, man. Whiff is stale. Whiff is old. Whiff is not moving. Don't focus on the coins that are doing fuck all, bro. Focus on the coins that are moving. Whiff is doing nothing. Whiff is boring. Whiff is... if you want to focus on the meme coin, go to Bonk, dude. Go to Bonk. Bonk is the one that's fucking killing it. Look at Bonk. Bonk's moved up fucking 260%. Why you want to go to Krusty McCrusty coins, Whiff? It's so shitty. My advice to you guys is this, okay? Why did I turn off my YouTube comments, Matthew? Because they're just full of fucking... You want to see why? Look, man, like, there's fucking retarded. I'll show you. Like, I'll go to... I turned on comments for one video. Let me show you. I turned on one comments for one video. Hello, everybody. And this is what happens, bro. This is fucking... Thanks for the... It's all fucking bots and scammers and... Fucking stupid. Like, look at this shit. For one video, I'm getting like 100 people scamming or, you know, posting random shit. XA48P. And there's like, you know, there's not even Valerian Network. None of them are real comments. You know, like, YouTube is becoming a fucking shit show. Oh, by the way, congratulations to the Indian scammer that scammed $15,000 from my followers today. Great job. So this is what happens. I'll explain to you guys something funny. Whenever people join my Discord group, like, so there's this guy, he pays for a normal $35 a month subscription. Anybody in my group, right, they can see the members list. They can see, you know, everybody's got access to this. You can't hide it, right? You can't hide it. So you got this members list. So anytime anybody joins my Discord group, the scammer, he's in my group. He pays for a subscription. So he sees somebody join my Discord group, and then he DMs him from the fake Philakone account that looks like me, right? So then this fake Philakone account is now giving you attention. Ooh, fake Philakone giving you attention. Hey, I'm fake Philakone. Would you like to send me some money and live trade with me and copy all of my trades? And then the idiot that gets scammed is like, "Hey, fake Philakone, here's 10,000 fucking dollars." So then these people actually send the fake Philakone thousands of dollars. And then today the fake Philakone made $15,000 from idiots sending them money. It's like, if it looks like Philakone, it must be Philakone, right? Even though like Philakone is spelled like PH1I0KONE, like you know, it's spelled fucking like that. And then people are like, yep, it must be Philakone because it kind of looks like it, you know, like fucking retarded. Like shit. So that's so fucking funny, you know? So anyways, I'm gonna end the live stream, guys, because my food's here. And yeah. Dude, you can't fucking take me seriously, you Long Quinn. I do this to every time I post things like this, I get 170,000 fucking views. And then I get like a lot of followers. I get like 100 followers. And for every 100 followers, 2% of them buy something from me. Dude, I'm just engagement farming, to be quite honest. Don't take this shit seriously. Don't ever take my post seriously if I'm being retarded. That's it. Okay, guys. I'm out. I'm gonna go eat. Good luck with it. This is my long position. I'm in a long for $2.4 million. I'm gonna make wife-changing money with this, guaranteed. Okay, guys, take it easy. Okay, good luck. Guys, sign up for my 40% off sale. It's at the bottom over here. And get in my platinum group. Trust me, you want to be in the platinum group. You will catch trades with me. You will learn a lot. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bam. Let's go, man. Let's fucking get this crypto money.